Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to study for Economics Ka Foundation. Break the syllabus into weekly goals, prioritize high-weight chapters, and schedule active recall sessions daily. Begin each session with a 45-minute focused block, then take a 10-minute break to reset. Use past papers to spot common questions and mark weak areas for revision. Rotate between theory and numericals to keep study varied and effective for exam readiness. Start every topic by writing a one-page summary to crystallize key concepts and formulas, then explain the topic aloud as if teaching someone else. Create flashcards for definitions and key diagrams to review during short breaks and commutes. Solve past year questions under timed conditions to improve speed and identify recurring themes. Track your mistakes in a separate notebook and revisit them weekly to convert weaknesses into strengths. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and stop sauces from ruining your notes, plus they save time between study sessions. They are great for portioning study snacks and stovetop lunches to keep energy steady. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Begin phased revision early, aiming to review the whole syllabus at least 3 times before the exam. In the final 2 weeks, focus on timed mocks and correcting repeated errors, not learning new content. Practice time allocation by assigning fixed minutes per question and following that strictly in mocks. Keep a calm pre-exam routine with light revision and good sleep, and avoid last-minute cramming to maintain clarity and performance on exam day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.